Alright, so this is kind of going to be a house tour of the progress that's done so far. We'll start from the beginning to where we've gotten so far. So first thing we did was the upstairs. I painted everything. We got the old carpet ripped out. Got it at Lowe's. They remove the carpet for you and put the new carpet in for free, they say. But that it charges extra money to put the carpet in the stairs. I've got the hand railing. I just need some help putting that up. One more person to hold it. So painted everything. Took this dining room table that I had downstairs and put it up here. Bought a couch from Wayfair, L sectional, and there's a good fit there. And then got a chair for my mom. It's a recliner. We reupholstered the bed. The bed was black, kind of fake leather, and a cat that is no longer with us, not dead, just ran away, scratched the crap out of it. So we reupholstered it. Went to Hobby Lobby and got some fabric, and it turned out really good. Got new bed sets, and got new blinds to put up here. Got the electric working. That was a big thing. The electric quit working. This is just all storage up here. It's a good place for a lot of the stuff that I don't need but I want to keep. And then also got a new fan put in here. It's really nice. Eventually want to get a TV put up here, but right now it gets really hot up here. I think it's 80 some degrees up here right now. The windows are open and it's about 70 something degrees outside. And then second, we came to the dining room. We painted all it. Got a tree, a hall tree. Put all the stuff in. And then this past weekend, got a new window installed. And it's really nice. Got sliding windows on each side. It's being braced now with some wood to let it set, and then we'll take those out. But this window slides open too, and I have a screen for it. So we got this room done, and then when we started in this hallway right here, painted everything here. This took forever because of the trimming work, longer than any other room. And then we did this back bedroom into a bedroom where I can sleep down here because sometimes it's just too hot upstairs. And got a hamper, which I made a video on. And then I had regular blinds, like the ones that we have upstairs, but down here they just let in too much light, and at the time I go to bed it's still light out and it was really bright in here. So got some dark out blinds, and those helped. Got a dresser from, I think it was Amazon, and that's really nice. And I got a nightstand that comes with an outlet so I can charge the phone. Just bought this stand to keep my phone on. I've got another fan coming because this fan just doesn't blow enough air. I've got a tower fan coming. And then this past weekend, we redid this room. Painted everything. Got a new carpet. I put cookies stuff in here. Got the safe, and then this is a media shelf cabinet where I'm going to store all these DVDs, and that's got that at Wayfair. So I'm getting ready to put that together here in a minute. But then the most exciting thing that got installed this weekend is I got a Blink door camera, which it's awesome. There it is. And that'll just notified my phone that somebody's ringing the doorbell, and I got that pressure washer, and I cleaned off all the porch. Probably need to go over it again. And then I also cut down this, it's basically a weed that turned into a tree. And I've got all the brush. I'm gonna throw in a trash and then take this stuff back to the woods. And then we'll clear out the rest of this stuff. There's not too many vines right there, but once we get that all cleared out, I'm not sure what we're gonna do with it. But that's exactly how far we've gotten. Next is the living room. I've started clearing out the shelves. I've got more stuff here, which is probably mostly empty boxes that I like to save for some reason. And I'll clear everything out, take off everything in the walls, take off everything in the mantle, and start painting this room. We bought 5 gallons of paint, and we're probably gonna need more paint to get this room done. The plaster walls soak up the paint way more than the drywall does. The dining room is drywall, and it just didn't take that much paint to cover everything up. So that's the scoop right now. And I'll come back with a video probably when everything's done, so that we can see the progress. I can't wait to get this room painted gray. That'll make it way better. So like and subscribe.